Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming another BellaBox unboxing for you guys. This is the October box and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. I did already have a sneak peek, I won't lie, because I was just so excited to see what was in it. But I haven't looked at anything like closely and stuff like that, so I will show you that now, obviously. So this is the October BellaBox. I don't know if you can tell. Nope, you definitely can't tell. It's a light pink colour. So for this month, it was actually BellaBox's birthday, like 7-year birthday or something like that. And you could choose the colour box you wanted. So I went for the pale pink because I thought it would go with my aesthetic in my room, like the blush and stuff like that. So I got the blush pink box, which I'm thankful for because I'm kind of over the blue boxes now. Obviously, when you open it, you've got the black tissue paper as usual, and when you open it, it looks like this, and the little card here says birthday bash, yeah, which you definitely can't see. Wow, perfect. The lighting is terrible today, guys, I'm sorry. So I'm just going to pull things out one at a time and then I will read the card and let you know what it is. So the first thing that everyone was excited about in this month's BellaBox was the Appeal Cosmetics liquid highlighter drops, which I was so excited for. Apparently this retails for like $24 or something. Oh, $40.46. Wait, what? For 15 mils. Is this 15 mils? Yes. Oh my god. This is $40.46. That is insane and I would never pay that for some highlighter. Especially drops because I'm more of a powder highlighter kind of girl. But I am so excited to get this. You could actually choose out of 3 colours. It was gold, bronze and platinum. I got platinum because it looked, I don't know, the nicest. The other ones looked a bit too like cray-cray. This one's a bit more toned down. And I love it because it's literally like a, what do you call this thing? I don't know. But that is the liquid there. So I'm so excited for this. I feel like I should do a bit of a swatch, but I kind of don't want to because I've got work after this and I don't want to have highlighter all over me, but that is what it looks like. It's really nice packaging too. I'm so excited about this. This is awesome. So it says glow your own way with these gorgeous ultra concentrated illuminating drops, gleaming like molten metal but free from giveaway glitter. Okay, so it doesn't have like glitter in it, which is awesome. This liquid highlighter will take your highlighting to new heights, plus it can be added to your foundation or skincare for super versatile customizable glow. So you could also add this into your foundation if you wanted and put it on your face, but I'm personally not the fan of like an illuminating foundation, so I probably wouldn't do that. But yeah, definitely going to use this as a highlighter. I'm so excited. If you want to see what it looks like, keep an eye out on my Instagram. I will definitely post a swatch on there. I can't believe it's worth $40.46. That's just crazy. So next we have the Model Rock lashes. They just look like this. These ones look really crazy, to be honest. I'm not one to go for the really crazy lashes, but I mean, I'll give them a go. Oh, that was the glue. Anyway, that's what they look like. This one is called Downtown. This style. I don't know if I'll use these anytime soon because I recently just got into magnetic lashes and they are thebomb.com. So I don't know if I'll ever go back to glue lashes, but we'll see. These are 100% cruelty-free and vegan lashes and they go for $11.95, available at modelrocklashes.com. So that's pretty good. Next we have the Let's Get Naked, and that's literally all it says. I don't know if you can see, but it says Let's Get Naked. It's a frizz fighter. So this is a scientifically formulated hair serum that helps smooth, condition and seal the strands. Wow. So you literally just put a little bit onto your hair, I'm guessing, and it kind of like calms the frizz down a little. It's also got UV sunscreen in it for longer lasting hair. Wow, that's crazy. This is a sample size. So this is only 20 mils. But the 125ml retails for $19.90. It's available at Neon and Co Salon in Melbourne. So I don't live in Melbourne, so I won't be purchasing this again. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm excited to use this. I definitely have frizzy hair. You probably can't tell because I always straighten it or curl it, but I definitely have very frizzy hair. So this is great to tame it, and I love that it has sunscreen in it as well. That's awesome. Next, we have 2 samples of the La Roche-Posay what are these? BB creams. So you get shade 1 and 2, which is awesome. So you can kind of see which shade you are in case you wanted to buy the full size. I was going to show you guys up close, but you literally can't see anything. So this is, like I said, the BB cream. It melts into the skin tone for a unified and radiant complexion whilst also offering 50+ protection, which is great. So these are 3 ml samples, so they are tiny, which I was definitely expecting because La Roche-Posay ain't cheap. So I knew these would be tiny, but when I opened them, I didn't know that they would be this tiny. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but that is tiny, like so small. I guess you probably don't need a lot of it anyway. But yeah, I'm definitely glad they sent both shades because you can always mix the two together if you needed to. Or you could just use them alone, whatever you want, whatever suits your skin. So the 50 ml retails for $34.95. So not like crazy expensive, but definitely more expensive than a regular BB cream, I feel. You can get it at Priceline, Chemist Warehouse, and Terry White Chemart. So last product we have are the Swispers facial wipes. I was kind of annoyed about this because I got the cucumber ones, which are kind of boring. I was really hoping to receive the micellar and coconut water one or the coconut oil one, but I got the cucumber ones, which have been around for a while and nobody cares about. But anyway, you only get 5 facial wipes, so this will be good just to chuck in my handbag, I guess. And a 25 pack retails for $5.99. So this basically is worth like $1, so it's not much. It's available at Woolworths and Chemist Warehouse, so not the most excited about that one, but I mean, it's cool. And last of all, we've got like a little sachet thing, which you guys know I love, being sarcastic there. This is the Moroccan Argan Oil Body Wash and Lotion. Oh, I thought these were going to be the shampoo and conditioner. Never mind. So that's just what they look like. Probably won't use them, to be honest, because I hate using sachets, so anyway, that is all I got in my October BellaBox. Honestly, I was pretty impressed with it, but I mean, last month's was slightly better, I feel. What did I get last month? Oh, we got the Tarteist lip paint, which I thought was a little bit better, but I am really excited about the illuminating drops, and the lashes would be great if they were ones that were not as crazy and dramatic, because that's not, it doesn't really suit my eye shape. But anyway, that is what I got. I thought because it was their 7th birthday, they would make it a little bit more extravagant, but realizing that the illuminating drops were worth $40 is pretty good, I guess. So anyway, that is all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.